Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're gonna dive into this AI app, which is MATEAI. So we're gonna review the important part of this app to see if this app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about the MATEAI app offer a polished AI chat experience with features like image video generation, data analysis, and creative writing tools, which make it a good choice if you need a smart assistant for content or brainstorming. Users generally praise its responsiveness and versatility. However, the free version is tightly restricted, ads are frequent, and many premium features require costly subscription. User also reports inaccuracy in response and a weak support. Overall, MATEAI is worth using if you are comfortable with paid model and you want advanced AI tools. Less so if you are looking for a free, reliable assistance. You can probably stick to this AI. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.